breaking inputs, in fact, from Telangana, as what we are learning is that the Bharat Rashtra Samiti or BRS working president KT Rama Rao has been placed under house arrest. This following a call by the party for a Chalo Bus Bhavan protest against the hike in RTC ticket prices. After protests, KTR has been released from house arrest is also what we are being told. But in fact, those visuals coming in of how the cops have been cracking down on the BRS. This with regards to their protest against the ticket prices hike in the RTC. And they were running a protest which was about Chalo Bus Bhavan. Let's also bring you some ground reports before we quickly go across to an area on that breaking input.
Days after Congress government in the state of Telangana had announced that increase in prices in the TSRTC bus services in Hyderabad city, now what we are seeing is that the BRS party had called for a Chalo Bus Bhavan call, which was being led by the BRS working president KTR. And as you can see right now, the BRS leaders have come here almost till Bus Bhavan, which is the head office of the TSRTC. But now what we see is that they are not being allowed to go there and give a representation at the head office of the TSRTC, whereas many of the BRS working workers and also the leaders are being arrested by the police officials. And also at the same time, the BRS has been demanding that the government should immediately roll back the hike in the TSRTC which has been announced by the government.
If the free bus scheme has resulted in losses to the exchequer, the government has to take it as a social obligation, and the government has to take up the burden and not push it onto the common people of Telangana.
On one side, they have announced free bus service for women, but now they have increased the prices for
Prices have been jacked up for men. Prices have been jacked up for student bus passes, which will hurt the children in the family. शायद यही innovative thinking है government का कि घर में एक को 10 रुपया दो, बाकी दो लोग से घर में जो है उनसे 30 रुपया लो. तो इसका एक अजीबोगरीब माहौल जो आज तेलंगाना में है. सुबह हमको बोला अरेस्ट, दोपहर उसके बाद बोला कि आप जाओ, फिर यहाँ आने के बाद बोलते हैं अरेस्ट. तो पता नहीं क्या चला रहे हैं ये लोग, सरकार या सर्कस. कांग्रेस जहाँ भी है यही हालत होती है. राहुल गांधी जी को भी इसका एक बार जवाब देना होगा. बार बार कहते हो मोहब्बत का दुकान, पर ये जो देखने को मिल रहा है ये मोहब्बत का दुकान है कि इमरजेंसी की निशान है, क्या चीज है, आपको जवाब देना होगा.
What do you demand from the government?
We are demanding that the government roll back on the price hike. We are demanding that the government not privatize RTC, because it appears that they are conspiring to privatize RTC and give it to a private company. Therefore, we are demanding two answers: save the RTC employees and the corporation, and roll back the hike.